Yo, here is 5 reasons why I became a Got Backup affiliate. All right, what's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a couple days ago, I officially joined Got Backup. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. I seen this program a couple months ago and I saw it and I didn't really look into it. I was just like, all right, Got Backup, boom. I'm super busy with Live Good opportunity. I'm still with Nexus rewards. I'm still with instant recall. So I'm like, look, damn it, I ain't got room for no other, network marketing opportunity, affiliate marketing. I'm good, right? I'm good. But I was looking more and more into the product because I seen more and more videos come up. So I was like, let me take a look at it a little more deeper, right? A little more investigative work, all right? Because a guy who brought me into a couple other programs in the past, he joined Got Backup a couple months ago and he's just loving it, right? So I was like, let me look into it, all right? So after looking into it, I'm like, yo, this is kind of dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, especially on the affiliate side of things. Now, let me just tell you something real quick. I personally, even though Got Backup is basically another network marketing opportunity. It is. But they have an affiliate side of things, right? You earn commissions. Now, just keeping it all the way transparent, I personally don't give a damn about the network marketing side of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at Got Backup as an affiliate opportunity, all right? And then anything that comes from like the network marketing side of things, like building teams and stuff, I'm looking at that as a bonus. If you want to jump into it and really focus on the network marketing side of things, that's cool because that's what most people doing anyway, all right? But I'm just telling you, like, I'm looking at it from, just a cool ass affiliate marketing program. And this is, in my opinion, great if you are new to affiliate marketing. All right. So let's get into 5 reasons why I ended up joining Got Backup. The first reason is the product. I actually like the service and I'm going to use the actual service. All right. Like I said, I just joined a couple days ago, so I ain't even got my account set up yet. But if you're not familiar with what Got Backup is, it is a data backup service. All right. So this is not physical products. This is strictly like, backing up your files, your photos, your videos, your documents, like all that important shit, right? That you don't ever want to lose. You can back it up. All right. So this service is comparable to like, Google Cloud, iCloud, Dropbox, right? But the only difference is you can actually earn commissions from promoting this opportunity. All right. So what makes the product so dope is for $10 a month, well, $9.97, all right, you get 6 terabytes of space, of cloud space, right? Now, if you don't know how much, 6 terabytes is, that's the equivalent of 6,000 gigs. All right. So that's a lot of space. So you can have up to 6 family members on your account and you can use unlimited devices. So you can back up things on your computer, you can back up things on your laptop, you can back up your tablet, you can back up your Android, and you can back up your iPhone. So when I look at that, for $10 a month, I would have done that anyway without even joining Got Backup. For $10 a month, I can back up my Android phone I use all the time. I can back up my other phone that I use for filming videos. I'm gonna put my wife on the plan, and I'm probably gonna put my dad on the plan to back up his phone, right? So that alone is dope. So I'm like, if I'm gonna use this anyway, why not make money from it? You know what I'm saying? Now, a second reason why I joined is because of the low startup costs. All right, now this program is very similar to Live Good when it comes to how much it costs to get started and everything. All right, because it's a one-time $40 fee to become an affiliate for Got Backup, right? And then after that, it's $9.97. It's $9.97 a month after that. Where you got Live Good, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Live Good. It's $40 one-time fee to become an affiliate, and then it's $9.95 a month to keep it. So it's very, very similar. All right. So that's it, right? Once you pay basically $50 to get started with Got Backup, you can start using the service, right? You can start backing up your computer, backing up your phones, all that, right? You can start immediately, and you're in a position to start earning commissions. Look, so check this out. For every person that you get that decides to become an affiliate of Got Backup and use the program, you're going to get a $20 one-time commission, and then you're going to get a 25% commission for every month that they're active with the company. So out of $10, you're only going to be getting like $2.50. But the thing is, A, that's a monthly recurring payment you're going to get, and B, that money is going to add up, because think about it. You're going to keep on, right, getting referrals, right? The cool thing about Got Backup, why I like this, because who the hell is going to cancel once they start backing up all their important videos and files and all that? Think about that. This is one of the things that people is not going to quit once they start using it, right? So, you're going to get $20 off rip, boom, $20 commissions. Then you're going to turn around and getting $2.50 every month for the life of the customer. So this can be many, many years of recurring income, and that's dope as hell. Now, another reason why I joined the Got Backup affiliate program is because there is no competition in this space. And what I mean by competition, I mean by far as other affiliate programs that offer what they offer and actually pay affiliates. There's no competition in the affiliate space or in the network marketing industry. Now, as much as I love Live Good, which I do, but like there's other health and wellness, opportunities out there, not as dope as Live Good, but there's competition. With this right now, there is no competition in the network marketing or affiliate marketing space when it comes to Got Backup. So that means, you can really get out there, put this opportunity in front of people, and start making some real money. Fourth reason, and I think this is why I joined the Got Backup affiliate program, is it's just easy to promote. All right, because pretty much you can promote this to anybody that has a computer, a laptop, an Android phone, a tablet, or iPhone. Now you got to ask yourself, how many people got one of them things? I can answer that for you. It's in the damn billions, right? Billions of people. So that means you have billions of opportunity out there to start making money with Got Backup, and that's just too easy. And last but not least, why I became a Got Backup affiliate is because it has crazy earning potential. Now keep in mind, like I said, I'm treating this pretty much as just an affiliate program. Give me my $20 commissions and $2.50 a month. I'm happy with that, because I really feel like I can put this in front of a lot of people, and you should feel the same way too. All right. But keeping it real, the network marketing aspect is real, right? So when people do join Got Backup and they become a direct affiliate, I'm going to earn a 25% bonus of whatever they make. So if somebody joins Got Backup, right, they join underneath my link and everything, and they go hard as hell. They see the vision, right? They listen to this video and they like, hell yeah, like this just makes sense. So say they go out there and kick ass and they start generating $4,000 a month. All right. Now I'm going to get a 25% matching bonus of that. Keep in mind, this is monthly. I'll be getting $1,000 just because that person went out and kicked some ass, right? So if you really think about the earning potential of that, it's crazy. It is definitely a no-brainer to become a Got Backup affiliate, and that's exactly why I did it. So if you want to become a Got Backup affiliate, you already know what you need to do. Click that first link in the description and get started and start taking action and start using the service, because it's dope.